Ndipo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Ndo jinilo nano wakwezon.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Chukwunonso Soul Captures. Ndebanye, Anamekelonu. Apam Chukwunonso Soul Captures, aka Mazi. Chakom, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon. And this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. As you can see, I got the melanin backdrop up again for this one. All right, so let's hear it for Adelina